In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show subtasks in your Jira board. Let's start from your main workspace. Open your Jira project where you normally track your work. In this example, we're working in a Kanban-style project, but the idea is the same if you're using a similar board view. Make sure you're in the section that lists all work items for that project, not just a single issue. You want to be looking at the overall board or list of issues for your team. Once you're in your project's main view, look toward the top area of the screen where Jira usually shows filters, views, and board settings. There will be a control or menu that lets you adjust how issues are displayed. In the recording, this appears as an element we click, even though the label looks like placeholder text. In your own Jira, this might be a button or drop-down related to views, display options, or board settings. Go ahead and click on that control. When you do, Jira will open a small menu or panel with additional configuration options. This is where you can change how your tasks and subtasks appear. Take a second to look over what's available here. Even though we're focused on subtasks, this is also a useful place to remember for other display tweaks in the future. Next, move your cursor to the part of this menu that has been highlighted in the guide. This is the option that controls whether subtasks are visible or how they're shown on the board. In your own setup, it might be labeled something like subtasks, issue hierarchy, or a similar term related to child issues. Click on that highlighted option. After clicking, Jira will apply the change to your current view. Your subtasks should now be visible under their parent tasks on the board or in the list, depending on how your project is configured. If you don't see an immediate change, try scrolling through the board and checking a task that you know has subtasks associated with it. Finally, confirm the setting by clicking the last highlighted option in the menu. This step locks in your display preference so that your board continues to show subtasks the way you expect. From now on, when you're reviewing your Kanban board, you'll be able to see not just the main tasks, but also the detailed subtasks that roll up into them, giving you a clearer picture of progress and workload across your team.